I think the most valuable part for me was being able to know that I can assist clients and I will have complete control, and I'm very confident in doing so. Throughout these 2 weeks, I just kept getting more and more and more excited to do this myself. So yeah, to me it's super rewarding knowing that I'm leaving here just ready to help people out and sharing this knowledge with them in the end. My name is Celine, I'm from Malta and I'm a gym receptionist. My main motivation to become a PT was that I train a sport, I train powerlifting. I really love how it empowers me, and I would like to guide people to be able to feel the same, and I felt like it was the next step for me. I looked around for different courses. To be honest, I had a bad experience with somewhere else. I knew a lot of people who did the course here, and they always gave me amazing feedback. They said the course is great, I highly recommend it. And I heard it from so many people. I was like, okay, clearly I have to take this one. I was a bit worried because I had a bit of a time constraint with regards to the assignments in the course, because it does come with a deadline, but I just contacted the people involved and they said it's not a problem, and we arranged a time and it was not a problem after all. I loved the material they've given me. I really learned everything I needed to know. It still makes you feel really confident in creating a program, understanding from everything programming to understanding the human anatomy. So it's very in-depth. It also provides videos, so it's like a bit of both. Great notes, great videos. It's like you're there in class. I think the coursework all had a build-up, so it all made sense that once you finish this part, the next is coming up, and they are all kind of correlating to each other. It has a good build-up to it. Online tutors were great. Whenever you're not understanding something, they are quite hands-on. Even in the end, when you're really not understanding, they have the patience in the world. So in the end, they make sure that you're really understanding something you're struggling with. The practical course is amazing. I mean, even the way they structured it, it's the same as the assignment work. So it has a good build-up to it, one thing leading to another. Spot on, you understand everything. If you are insecure about something, you can ask everything. They help you out, and they're guiding you out throughout everything. So it's pretty cool, and yeah, you feel just ready to go. I think the most valuable part for me was being able to know that I can assist clients and I will have complete control, and I'm very confident in doing so. Honestly, it made me, throughout these 2 weeks, I just kept getting more and more and more excited to do this myself. So yeah, to me it's super rewarding knowing that I'm leaving here just ready to help people out and sharing this knowledge with them in the end. So after all this practical work and all these trainings, I mean, I feel like I'm definitely ready now. I just went through it all, and honestly, I'm kind of leaving here feeling really strong, because I know that I did all this work, all this training, but I did it. So I just feel like, yeah, I am the person to do this now. To be honest, I think since I had not a good experience before, I was expecting something similar, but it went above and beyond. I was telling people actually that the person teaching me this course is like a human ChatGPT, where he just can explain everything without stuttering, and it's spot on. I'm like, wow. So definitely exceeded my expectations. The course was a great investment. I know I will have it forever with me. I said to everyone who's doing the course with me, like, I'm gonna forever remember this, you know, and that I went through it, the knowledge I got with it. So this is an investment for my whole life. So yes, one of the best ones, definitely. 100% confident. I was telling everyone, like, I just want to quit my current job and just do this. I don't want to do anything else now after these 2 weeks. At the moment, I will keep my job, but I'm thinking I would just reduce it part-time because I really want to focus on becoming a PT. I'm already preparing some content for social media to promote myself. Eventually, I would just like to be a full-time PT, and that's it. That's my goal at the moment.